Hi everybody. I wanted to do a short video on how to get to Clever. So the first thing that you need to do is either use the app or go to clever.com. Now once you get here, then you need to go to log in as a student. Now this is where it might get a little confusing because it says log in with Google, it says log in with Clever, and then over here it says Clever badge login. This is actually what you need to do. So I'm going to send out the Clever badges here in a minute, but I'm going to use Mason's to start. Okay, so if you could see that, it's that easy. Then there are some things that the district has put on Clever, and you could see those things down here like Brain Pop Junior, Dreambox is on there, Capstone is on there. I can send you that link if you're interested. Seesaw, these are things that the district has purchased. Then if you go to my page, a whole world opens up. These are all kinds of things that we use at school. So you can see Extra Math is there, Book Creators there, Freckles there, Study Ladder, Moby Max I was going to teach the kids about, but and I may do it in a couple weeks. Codables, Starfall, um, the new phonics program, Laleo, Prodigy, Greg Tang Math, Code, Reading Eggs. So this is actually Storyline Online. Grok is a coding app that I was also going to teach them about, which I might. Scratch Garden and Tumble Books. So like literally can get on almost everything with Clever. So, and then you could see that you've logged in correctly when your child's name is at the top. And it's all run by the district. So hopefully this helps you. Let me know if